Welcome to your ActivForce Dashboard, a complete view of testing history, progress trends, and client reports in one place. This video shows you how to navigate key features and settings. When you log into the dashboard, you'll see all the tests you've performed with ActivForce in recent chronological order. You can use the search bar to quickly locate specific test sessions via the test series name or subject identifier that you have saved on the app. Each report includes all test data, with detailed graphs for force and ROM, plus repetition grouping and left-right comparisons. Back on the homepage, use the Track Progress button to review results over time and monitor improvements across sessions. Under Settings, you can adjust your preferences and manage your account details. If you've previously used the ActivForce 2 system, you can still access your older reports for reference. From test results to progress tracking, use the dashboard to keep your data organized, accessible, and actionable. Use the ActivForce dashboard to turn objective data into clear insights for tracking progress and improving outcomes. For more detailed guides, visit our tutorials page on ActivForce.com.